New arrival, 2023 Range Rover D350. So it's the 3 litre, 350 brake horsepower. It's the best engine for a diesel. HSE. So HSE now in the new Range Rover gives it great spec. It's finished in Santorini Black. It's one owner. It's done just over 12,000 miles. It's got Shadowline exterior. It's got 23-inch wheels. It's got an electric deployable Towbar. It's in Santorini Black. It's got ebony leather. It's got the gloss black grand veneer, which I'll show you later in the video. So it gives you a lovely interior finish. It's got a slide-in sunroof. That is an optional extra on HSE. And what does a HSE give you? It's big on one of these cars. Things like heated and cooled seats in the front, heated and cooled seats in the rear, heads-up display. It's got adaptive cruise. It's got heated steering wheel, digital headlights, Shadowline exterior. So you get this anthracite finishing on the grille, on the inserts and all the colouring on that sections of the bumper. 23s, big extra, £3,000 as a list option. Split spoke, gloss black. Again, big option, transform the look of the car. Upgraded little mud flaps there. They're only small, but they've been painted. That's an option when you're ordering, so you can see they're in gloss black. Atlas vents in Shadowline, privacy glass on the rear. You can see you've got your deployable door handles, part of the new model Range Rover, and then you've got them wonderful LED lights at the back. This car's 2023, so you've got Land Rover warranty and Land Rover Assist till 2026. The car's only, is it a year old? Probably just under a year old. It's priced to sell. And I say this a lot of the times in our videos, this car retailed probably £30,000 more a year ago, which is just nuts, really. Soft closed doors is standard. And then let me show you what I'm talking about, the interior. So this is ebony leather. This finishing here is called gloss black grand veneer. That's been paid for as an option. Meridian speaker, rear electric seats. You can also see that the seat belts are illuminated. That's part of the HSE. And these seats, you can also see the little perforations. That's because the seats in the back are heated, but they are cooled as well. You've got a sunroof, which I'll show you later in the video. Into the front, again, you've got your memory seats with a gloss black grand veneer finish on the door cards. The seats in here are heated and cooled. Very comfortable. 20-way options, adjustable. And then let me show you the features. So a lot of the features on a new Range Rover are standard. So things like heated wheel, adaptive cruise, multifunctional steering wheel, automatic lights, automatic wipers, you get all that. The key things, heads-up display, you can see that. That's a big one. A lot of people who I sell big Range Rovers to love that as an option. Clear sight camera, with it being a HSE. This car has got opening sunroof. You don't get that as standard. That's been paid for as an option. Lovely finish in that gloss black grand veneer. You can see it there. If I slide that back, you've got wireless charging under there. 13.1-inch Privy Pro screen, which is huge. Everything works off here. I'll show you the seats. I've mentioned that they've got heated and cooled. So there's your rear. You can see that. And then that's again for the front. Back in the main menu, you've then got electric deployable Towbar. I'll show you that in the back, how that works. You can also work it from the front. You've got park assist, Alexa, your cabin lighting. So you've got all the different colours for the interior, which again on a night that looks absolutely superb. And then you've got all your camera systems. So even though you've got your clear sight camera up here, which is an extra, you've then got your full 360 camera, and you've got tow and assist as well. So all the features you'd want. Sunroof, 23, shadow pack. It's a HSE as well. I'll show you in the boot. Huge boot space. Split fold-in tailgate. What's that? Oh, we've got a little box there with a flask. And then air suspension. Press that button there. We've got an electric deployable Towbar as well. So the car's got great spec. It's the right colour combination with the right interior. Again, like our cars, it's priced to sell. It's got lots of warranty remaining, just over 2 years. It's going live on the website, D350 HSE with the right spec. Thank you for watching.